Guys, we have arrived now. I have arrived to Tatarstan. Tatarstan, my friends, and well, my first time in Tatarstan. First impressions. Lean, big, in order. Super. Alright guys, I have drank the coffee and now it's time for Bauman Street continuation. Let's see what we can find on the streets. There's a monkey over there, oh my god. Real monkey, guys. Alright guys, believe it or not, since we are actually on a road trip across Russia, it's been hot. Cheboksary, all the way from Moscow, it has been super hot, and now all of a sudden it's actually, believe it or not, it's starting to freaking rain. It's starting to rain, believe it or not. I have this traditional style shirt, and I have also the stuff that I've been bringing from all the way from Helsinki. 2 hoodies, I don't know why, 2 hoodies, and also the what else? The actual rainbow umbrella with me, and there's no way for me to use it, so check it out. Крутой. They're kidding. Why are you filming? They were kidding. Alright guys, check it out. This is something crazy. This is so cool city. And it's starting to rain, guys, but I'm not gonna go anywhere. Guys, I'm filming sort of main street of like Arbat on Moscow, but it's actually in Kazan, and this is I like this better, guys. I'm not a big fan of Arbat anyways. This place Kazan is known for its blending of different cultures, guys. Tatar and Russian, Christian and Islamic. You can take some shots, guys. We are live, everybody. I'm gonna do a few lives over here. We can go maybe to the Kremlin as well, or I'll do a separate live stream, guys. Guys, here it separates to different streets. So you can choose where you go, and everywhere seems to be super nice. Hello Scotland, Parmi Kumar. Wow, it's a beautiful city, man. I love it. I absolutely love it. Let's check out the car a little bit closer. Zhiguli. Is this promotion for Zhiguli beer, at least based on the logo? It's slightly raining right now, guys. So let's see what happens. It's really cold. I have all my hoodies and everything prepared. I'm thinking about buying this hat, by the way. I don't know, should I? If you guys wanna leave a super chat, I will maybe buy one. If you want me to do a video with that hat, I don't know how it's called even, but it's around $30, which is pretty touristic price. Торговый развлекательный комплекс. This is shopping mall Rodina, Motherland. Shashlikov. Ah, that's a cool name. welcome everybody. Do it. Yeah, but yeah, I don't want to be a pain in the ass, but the cost is, of course, something that, you know, I buy these pins for like $1, $2, or magnets for like 50 cents. So that's my budget, guys, more or less. I don't know why people come and when they see that my both hands are with cameras. Check it out, guys. We love cats on the channel. Here is Kazan cats. Guys, everybody, welcome to Kazan. Now representing a little bit here Chuvashian colors on my more local cats architecture or art. Kazan loves cats. So this is like the Arbat Street of Moscow, but it's same thing. You got nice stores, quite touristy, but still it's very Kazanian. Same thing with Moscow. Arbat is very Russian, even though it's, you know, very touristy. Here we have some vloggers. I know her. Did it proceed? All right, guys. Here is Kitap Club. Sounds very Turkish. Kitap is was it book? I think it was the book. And the language is very. You got people from Qatar, maybe. Hello. You got people from Qatar, and I said hi to him, but people don't say hi just like that. I'm feeling myself too confident. Oh, check it out, guys. This is like a little Hollywood alley or something. Even Viborg has similar location. Salavat Fathedinov, musician, I can see by the logo. Here is Henia Ferhi. I guess they are known in the local area. One thing interesting in Russia that sometimes some people go next to you and it's like literally millimeters away from you. It's a Russian thing. Not everybody, but some do it like that. Don't know why. So it's a historical center of Kazan. Near it, so there's a lot of things to be seen. Popular location, guys. Guys, push like to see. Check it out. It says 722 kilometers to Rome, Dorima, 350 to Mecca. Whoa, all the way to Mecca. 303 to Beijing, and 5,093 to Tokyo. Let's go to Tokyo, guys. There's more stuff there, but I guess let's continue. We got nice atmosphere here. So this is clearly the busy side of Bauman Street. Clearly. And you can see often some culturally, like people wearing Kazan clothing, which is really cool looking, guys. Anti-alcoholic museum. Right. The city is really cool, guys. So many stuff to see. It seems to be some kind of a football friendship between Russian Tatarstanian thing. Hold up. Sport attributica. Sport attributica. What does it mean, guys? Let me know. So yes, chak is a local food. It's a very tasty bread, or made out of bread. Not bread, out of my God, my words I'm missing. Anyways, it's something that you put breadish stuff with honey syrup. I guess I tried already at the border when I was greeted by the Tatar representatives. Man, It's buzzing on Baumanskaya street. Kazanski sladости, Kazanian sweets. So they're gonna be performing here in a bit. I think so. Ah, he is performing. This is, oh, check it out. Check the guy out over here. Oh man, I'm a big fan of Star Wars, if you didn't know, guys. Labyrinth Straha. Touristy stuff everywhere. The same thing. What the hell is this? What the what the hell, man? Oh man, that's funny. Local artists preying on the tourists. Here you have Государственный bank, so I don't think this. Is it literally a bank? Yeah, National Bank it says. And oh my God, this looks amazing, guys. I love it. Guys, do you love it? Let me know in the comments. So guys, check this out. Unfortunately, I don't have the map that I can do some background, but guys, let me know what's this on Baumanskaya Street. It looks freaking amazing, right next to another cathedral right there. This is Russia, guys. I'm in awe. And there's another cathedral right here. Wow. Guys, Russia is amazing. Russia is simply amazing. Just as we requested. Baumanskaya streets right here. And let's check out this location between, so we have a clear view of the cathedral right now. Oh my God, it is beautiful. Some kind of window, maybe they had sold tickets here back in the day. This is храм в честь третьего обретения честной главы Иоанна Предтечи. Man, long name. It's a long name. Hopefully.
Ну, из интересного, можно сказать, вот эта вот статуя Федора Шаляпина, известный оперный певец, всемирно известный.
Он?
Да, вот. Федор Шаляпин.
He's telling me the story.
Вы с английском?
Да.
Вот. Я не знаю, как...
Ну, не, договорите, как это.
Bell Tower.
Bell Tower?
Yeah. Вот. Это то ли
This is Bell Tower, guys.
Богоявленская, если не ошибаюсь. Богоявленская Bell Tower. В целом, не знаю, Москва вряд ли им людям интересно, да? Что Бауман это почти Арбат.
Да, я так понял, да.
В общем, И что интересного, если выйдете, если вот вы идти держаться
Ну.
вправо, там вы увидите казанского кота, статуя есть.
Я оттуда пришел сейчас,
А, да? Вы оттуда? То есть вы туда
Да, я
идете?
туда иду, да. Ну, понятно примерно. Не, все хорошо. Это хорошо, спасибо.
Хорошо, спасибо.
Отличный город. He spoke really good English, actually, guys. He was worrying a bit, and I was like, "Don't worry, it's all good, you know, guys. We'll figure it out." Замок сладостей, the castle of sweets. Once again, Tat product. Actually, I'm gonna go there in some point for sure. This is Tatarstan Tat product. Same thing when you see in Russia Tatneft, Tat oil, which is like a gas station. It's Tatarstan brand, Tatarstan owned company. So we have reached, guys, the other side of Bauman. We're gonna go back to Kremlin probably. And I might do another live stream from Kremlin, guys. But I'm gonna visit that place actually right now. Next, we're gonna go to that beautiful statue over there. I think there is expectors expecting ticket holders.